Konnichiwa, my name is Sensei Clara and today I'll give you a tutorial on Heian Shodan, one of the basic kata in Shotokan karate. From your look to the left because you're going to the left. Step into front stance, downward block. Hitch. And again. When you do that, make sure you drop your weight so you have a good relationship to the ground. So, hitch. Now you step forward, punching shodan. And your stance is front stance. From here, we're going to turn 180 degrees. To do that, bring your feet together here, and then you pivot. While you're pivoting, you cross your arms, so your right fist is facing your ear and the other is facing the ground. Okay, and then continue your rotation into front stance, down block. From here, you're gonna do a hammer fist strike, and at the same time, you do a stomp with your right foot. Go from down block. Next, you're stepping forward into front stance, punching shodan, so that's chest height. You're gonna do a 90-degree turn into front stance, downward block. Hitch. From here, you're gonna do 3 steps forward, front stance, rising block. Hitch. Knee. Sun. Ki here. You are going to turn into 270-degree angle, downward block. To do that, bring your feet together by bringing your back foot forward, making sure you're not coming up in height. You pivot this way slowly, and again you're crossing your arms, and then you continue the turn, drop into downward block, front stance. From this position, you're gonna step forward, punch and shodan, front stance. This time, you are turning 180 degrees. So look over your right shoulder, you're going to the right. So to do that, bring your feet together by bringing your right foot backward. As you can see, I'm not coming up in height. And then this time slowly turning, so slowly pivoting, and at the same time bringing your hands together and continue the turn. From here, step forward, punching, shodan, front stance. From this position, we're going to do a 90-degree turn again. Front stance, down block. Hitch. From here, you're gonna do 3 steps forward, front stance, hitch, knee, sun, ki here. So for my last punch here, I'm going to turn 270-degree angle into back stance knife block. So from here, I bring my back foot forward, and then I slowly pivot. So to do the block, I get ready. So I open my hands. My left hand is facing my ear, and my right hand is facing the ground. Okay, as you can see, I'm not coming up in height, and then I continue my technique. Now I step forward into back stance, knife and block again. That's gonna be 45-degree angle. From here, I'm gonna look to the right because I'm going to the right. So basically 180 degrees. I'm going to the other direction. And then I step into 45-degree angle, knife and block again. From here, you're gonna go back to your way, and then you bow, and that's the end of the kata.
Heian Shodan,